You know the old Beetle rear engine, round shape, air-cooled charm. But tucked away in its design are clever Easter eggs, secret details Volkswagen added purely for fun or subtle convenience. No modern gimmicks, just real mechanical day Beetles. Let's explore. Starting in the 1950s, many Beetles came with a porcelain or glass Blumenvasen clipped to the dash. Dealers installed them so drivers could carry fresh flowers, covering engine odors before air conditioning existed. It wasn't vanity, it was practical, nostalgic, charming, and it quickly became a Beetle signature. Look under the front trunk lid of Beetles. You'll find air vents. They aren't for engine cooling. They channel outside air through tubing up the A-pillars for cabin heat and defrost. These vents work with the heat exchanger behind the engine, forming the classic Beetle HVAC system. At the back, spot the louvers on deck lids starting in 1970, slots under the rear window. These were added when Volkswagen bumped engine sizes above 1500 cc to supply more cooling air, especially needed on highway drives to keep engines from overheating above 50 miles per hour. Inside, hanging above the passenger door, is the Calm Strap, nicknamed the Panic Strap. Introduced in early Beetles long before seatbelts, it provided a stable grip for swaying passengers. It's simple, functional, yet deeply rooted in Beetle heritage. In the trunk, Beetle models, especially European ones, include a small plastic bracket shaped like a triangle. That clip's job is to secure the emergency warning triangle, a legal requirement in Europe. Invisible to most, but useful if you're stranded. If you lift the trunk liner, you might spot logos, part numbers, or even assembly station initials stamped into the metal, tiny factory signatures. Not all bugs have them, but some do. A little peek behind the curtain of history. Herbie, the famous Volkswagen love bug, inspired Beetle owners to add secret nods, like racing stripes, the number 53, and custom decals hidden behind bumpers or even under seats. These fan-made Easter eggs really show just how much Beetles inspired personal creativity. Some 1960s Beetles offered a divider that doubled as a sandwich tray. Not standard gear, but still period correct and honestly, just beautifully simple. From 1966 onward, Beetles came with underhood fresh air horn tubes that fed air to the heater system and defroster. To the untrained eye, these are just hoses, but they keep windshields clear and cabins livable. These Easter eggs aren't flashy. They don't make your Beetle faster or safer, but they show Volkswagen's intention to make owners smile, think, and connect with their car's personality. Hidden comfort, nostalgia, and craftsmanship, all in a humble classic. Next time you see an old air-cooled Beetle, feel behind the dash, peek under hoods and trunks, check doorways. There's history and playfulness waiting for anyone who bothers to look.